Your key to a new understanding of deals is here. Hi, this is the Max Bot channel. I'm going to help you become a really powerful trader. By the way, I'm assisted in my work by artificial intelligence. This robot reads the market in seconds and gives recommendations. It helps not to miss important trends. The bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. After a month you will be able to pick it up only for a fee, so hurry up. It can even work with over-the-counter trading currency pairs. Yes, you can work with it at any time of the day, even on holidays. So, I'm starting the first trade. The bot gave a prediction, lower. This is the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen OTC. The expiry time is 5 minutes. In this case, I agree with the bot. I think price will now push back from the resistance zone again, as it did a few minutes ago. I think that the overbought momentum will again affect the local increase of potential in sellers. At a distance of 5 minutes, these moments could increase the influence of the bears. Yes, I think the sellers will be able to bring the price down a bit and that will bring me a profit. Friends, there will be a lot of important information on this channel. To not miss the new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. It's very important for our team and it motivates us to keep working. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. If you're struggling in trading right now, if you've hit losses, felt beat down by charts, doubted your edge, listen up. You're not broken. You're in the early stages. Great traders weren't born with a winning portfolio. They built it brick by brick. The only difference between those who stay and those who quit, they don't stop. Before anything else, master the one rule that actually keeps you trading over the long run. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on any trade. That means if your balance is $100, your trade size is $1 to $2. If it's $1,000, your trade size is $10 to $20. Doesn't matter how confident the signal feels, don't overcommit. Don't chase. Just trade smart. This isn't about maxing out, it's about survival. You're playing the long game, and capital preservation is your biggest weapon. Truth. If you're profitable on a 10% win rate, your returns scale up with your size. A $1 trade earns you $0.80, a $10 trade earns $8. That's real leverage. So yes, grow your funds, but never at the cost of your rules. Discipline beats risk every day. Trade bigger with control, not recklessness. Read the chart like Neo reads the Matrix. Charts aren't scribbles, they're stories. Learn to see the pattern behind the chaos. Support, resistance is market memory. Candlesticks whisper emotion. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, they're clues in the noise. Volume amplifies the truth. Master chart language, and you start predicting moves like Neo sees code, instinctively, instantly, insightfully. So, I got a plus. Yes, the symbiosis of my thinking and timely analytics from artificial intelligence did the trick. Now I will make one more trade. According to the link in the description, together with the bot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of it. Or, for example, if you deposit $200 then on deposit you will have $400. Promo code works on the first deposit. I entered a new down trade because the robot showed me a trend. News background and volatility are down. On the chart I see areas of declining highs. Yes, the sellers are now scaling their influence and this will be key in the next few minutes as the situation develops. Folks, I want to remind you that we have a useful group on Telegram, where we post posts that help you understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I designed an AI profiler that filters noise. It doesn't trade for you, but it helps guide you. Right now, it's free for early users. In 30 days, it goes paid. Seriously, only a short window to grab it via the link in the description. If you're tired of guesswork and want smarter analysis without overloading your brain, this is your shot. I've seen everyday people, far from finance, dig into trading, studying charts in the evenings, risking only smartly, and eventually walk away from day jobs. They didn't chase hype. They studied. They practiced. They built results. Now they trade from beaches, from home, with freedom. This isn't fiction, it's real. It can be your story, too. But only if you don't quit. Risk isn't fear, it's a tool. Trading is risky. So is launching a business. So is investing in startups. So is launching a YouTube channel. Life's biggest wins usually carry risk. The question is, will you manage the risk, or will it manage you? Control your edge. Respect your capital. Understand your choices. That's how you win. Drop in the comments. What indicator or strategy has helped you the most? How do you manage your trade risk? What's one mistake you quit making, and how that improved your performance? Let's build a real community of traders who help each other, because we all started somewhere. If this video fires you up, smash that like. It helps more traders get this message. Subscribe if you want more insight delivered daily. You're closer than you think. Every setback is setting you up for a breakthrough. Every loss adds lessons, and every strategy tweak sharpens your skill. You're not losing trades. You're learning the rules. And once you have the rules, no one can stop you. So trade smart. Trade with discipline. Scale responsibly. I finished the job. 2 successful trades and $3,956 in my pocket. Yes, that's my result of working with AI. Subscribe. There's more to come.